Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian laksa soup at home. This comforting dish is packed with flavor and surprisingly simple to prepare. We will start by gathering fresh ingredients, then move on to crafting an aromatic laksa paste from scratch. Next, we will build a rich, creamy broth, and finally, assemble all the components for a truly satisfying meal. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic homemade laksa. The heart of any great laksa is its paste. To make yours, combine about 5 fresh red chilies, 2 shallots, 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. Add 2 stalks of lemongrass, a 1-inch piece of galangal, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Include 1 tablespoon each of ground coriander and cumin, plus 4 candle nuts. Blend until smooth, then gently sauté in 2 tablespoons of oil for about 10 minutes until fragrant. Now let's build that incredible broth. In a large pot, combine your sautéed laksa paste with 2 cans of creamy coconut milk, each about 14 ounces, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Add about 8 ounces of firm tofu puffs and your chosen vegetables, such as 1 bunch of bok choy and 1 cup of fresh bean sprouts. Cook for just a few minutes until the vegetables are crisp tender. Season with 1 teaspoon of sugar and salt to taste. The final step is assembly. Cook about 8 ounces of rice vermicelli noodles according to their package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. Divide the cooked noodles among 4 serving bowls. Ladle the hot, aromatic laksa broth, complete with tofu and vegetables, over the noodles. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro, mint, and a sprinkle of crispy fried shallots. A squeeze of fresh lime juice adds a wonderful bright finish. Enjoy your homemade vegetarian laksa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.